Oh, well, Moco-Chan, since you know this is a very special moment, can you make a speech for us? A speech? A speech? A sneeze? Hi. Do you want to hear a sneeze speech? Yeah. Ruffians. To commemorate the 200th sneeze. Well, I don't know, maybe it's a bit silly, but to me, I think that hitting 200 sneezes is, I don't know, it's a pretty big deal. So, I'm happy. 200 sneezes is a lot of sneezes, okay? Yeah. It's silly, but it means something to me. It means something. Moco-Chan, do you have any hopes and dreams for your sneezes in the future? I think they're not gonna stop, so look forward to more, huh? That's all I can say, okay? You heard of audience. Look forward to more sneezes. And in turn, more sneezes too. Yeah. Mama!